Hello students, today we are going to learn coordinate geometry. Okay, so what is coordinate geometry? First try to understand it. See, coordinate refers to set of points. What are these set of points? These set of points are basically used to refer certain object or a body in a plane or a space. Now, which type of plane we are talking about here? So the type of plane which we are talking here is Cartesian plane. Now what is a Cartesian plane? Now if we take two number lines, यदि हम दो number line लेते हैं, one horizontal, that means one number line is like this, and one vertical, another number line like another number line like this. So two number lines, if we take one horizontal and vertical and then combine them in such a way that they intersect each other at their zero. So suppose this is the zero where they are intersecting each other, and then they form a Cartesian plane. So here we can say this is a Cartesian plane, this is a Cartesian plane, this is a Cartesian plane, this is also Cartesian, and we call this Cartesian plane as XY plane, right? So this is a Cartesian plane. Now the horizontal line in the line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. This already you know. This is a very common thing which you have been practicing in your graph since class 6. The point where these two lines intersect each other is called the origin. Okay, origin of the plane. It is represented as 0. Okay. Now OX and OY are the positive directions as positive numbers lie in the right and upward direction. Similarly, the left and the downward direction are negative directions as all the negative numbers lie there. So, quadrants of a Cartesian plane. Now, we quadrant kya hota hai? Like here we have drawn a Cartesian plane. Let us say this is y, and this is y dash, this is x, and this is x dash. So what is a quadrant? So this is going to be a quadrant. This is another quadrant. This is another quadrant. This is another quadrant. Quadrant means set of 4. Set of 4. This is quadrant. So quadrant of a Cartesian plane का मतलब है a Cartesian plane is dividing into 4 quadrants, named as quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4 anti-clockwise from O to X. This is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise from 4 to X. Okay. You can see here. Now this is a plane. This is a graph. This is a plane which is shown here, and this is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So again, we must understand quadrant. Quadrant means 4. Quad means 4. Okay. Now, the coordinates of a point, to write the coordinates of a point, we need to follow these rules. First, what is the rule? The x coordinate of point is marked drawing perpendicular from the axis. X coordinate is perpendicular y-axis, and y is perpendicular to x-axis. X-axis is called abscissa. Remember this word, x-axis is called abscissa. X-axis is called abscissa. This is very important word for 1 mark question also. And y-axis is called ordinate. The point referring to x-axis is abscissa and point referring to y-axis is ordinate. Okay. Now, while writing the coordinate of a point in the coordinate plane, the x coordinate comes first and the y and then the y coordinate. We write the coordinates in bracket. हमारा ये points को लिखने का तरीका, हमारे points को लिखने का तरीका ऐसा होता है. हम पहले point लिखते हैं और point के अंदर में उसके coordinates लिखते हैं. So this is abscissa and this is ordinate. Here it is mentioned. See, ये क्या है? X is the distance from y-axis and y is the distance from x-axis. So it is mentioned like this. In the above figure, OB is equal to CA is equal to x coordinate or abscissa, and CO is equal to AB is equal to y is ordinate. We write the coordinates as x and y. Remark, as the origin O has zero distance from x-axis and y-axis, so its abscissa and ordinate are zero. Hence, the coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. ये याद रखना है. What is the coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay. Now, the relationship. What is the relationship? Here, the relationship basically talks about कि किस क्वाड्रेंट में साइन क्या रहेगा, किस क्वाड्रेंट में साइन क्या रहेगा. तो जैसा हमने पढ़ा, ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है, तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल पॉजिटिव होता है, सब कुछ पॉजिटिव होगा, एक्स भी और वाई भी. क्वाड्रेंट 2 में एक्स हमारा नेगेटिव होगा लेकिन वाई पॉजिटिव होगा. क्वाड्रेंट 3 में दोनों नेगेटिव होंगे. क्वाड्रेंट 4 में एक्स पॉजिटिव होगा और वाई नेगेटिव होगा. यहां पर एक्स और वाई दोनों नेगेटिव, यहां पर x नेगेटिव y पॉजिटिव और यहां पर दोनों पॉजिटिव. ओके. सो प्लॉटिंग अ पॉइंट इन द प्लेन इफ इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर गिवन. अब एक पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट अगर दिया हुआ है तो उसको हम ग्राफ पे कैसे, एक प्लेन ग्राफ पे कैसे प्लॉट करेंगे. प्लॉट करने का मतलब होता है, प्लॉटिंग मीन्स टू रिप्रेजेंट. प्लॉटिंग मीन्स टू रिप्रेजेंट. तो यहां देखते हैं हम, यहां पर हमने इस पॉइंट को एक्स एक्सिस मतलब इस पॉइंट को ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट किया है. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स 2, 3 है, ये -3, 1 है, -2, 5 है एंड सो ऑन. तो first of all, we need to draw the Cartesian plane by drawing the coordinate axis with one unit as 1 centimeter. To mark x coordinate starting from O moves towards the positive x axis and count to 2. ओके. ये बहुत सिंपल है, ये आप करते आए हैं अपने जब ग्राफ बनाते होंगे तो. To make the y coordinate starting from 2 moves to make the y coordinate starting from 2 moves upward in the positive direction and count to 3. Now this point of coordinate 2, 3, ये जो पीछे हमने ग्राफ देखा था इस वाले स्लाइड में, ये उसका वहां पर रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया हुआ है. ओके. सो ये देखिए, ये आपका कंप्लीट इसका स्ट्रक्चर है. ये देखिए, एक पॉइंट है, यहाँ दूसरा पॉइंट है, ये एक पॉइंट, दूसरा पॉइंट, ये तीसरा पॉइंट, चौथा पॉइंट, this is the fourth, fifth one, this is the sixth one, seventh one, and this. Now let us try to find out what can be the coordinate of this point. इसका coordinate क्या होगा? Let us see. Now this point is from, this is y-axis. It is how many units away from y-axis? So it is 1 and 2. It is 2 unit away from y-axis. So this is going to be x coordinate or the abscissa. Okay. Now how far it is from the y means x axis. अब इसको देखने के लिए हमको क्या करना है, हमको y axis से इसका मेजरमेंट लेना है. तो x, ये x axis है, यहां से ये कितने यूनिट दूर है, तो 1 2 3 4. बट ये किस डायरेक्शन में है, ये नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में है, y नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, -4. तो हमारा इसका कोऑर्डिनेट इस पॉइंट का क्या हो गया, 2 -4. ओके. ठीक है. अब ये क्वेश्चन आपको नोट डाउन करना है, वीडियो पॉज करके यू जस्ट नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन, प्लॉट द पॉइंट 64 -64 -64 6 -4 ऑन द कार्टेशियन प्लेन। ये वीडियो आपको पॉज करना है और इसको you have to note down this question and then solve. The solution is being given here itself, but first you do it and then you cross check with the video. Okay, this is the solution. Now let us move further. Now this is the flow chart of the chapter. Okay, what we have learned and how we have learned in the chapter. So in the coordinate geometry, we learn Cartesian system, then plotting a point in the plane, and graph of linear equation. Linear equation, when we will study in the next chapter, it will be easy for us to plot the graph. Then we studied about the first quadrant where x and y both are greater than 0, second quadrant where y is greater than 0 but x is less than 0, third quadrant both are less than 0, and fourth quadrant where x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. And abscissa is the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis, and ordinate is the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. Okay, okay. So now this is the mind map of your chapter. Okay, now we can see here that draw coordinate and axis. See, first in the coordinate geometry, what first we have studied about the Cartesian system. Then coordinate geometry is plotting a point in the plane. And what are the steps of plotting a point? Draw coordinate axis, select units starting from the origin, count units on x and y axis, and the third step is mark the corresponding points. And in the Cartesian system, we have learned the meaning of the Cartesian system. Then we have learned about the abscissa and the ordinate, and then we learned about the fixed point, about x and y axis, that is origin, and also we have learned about the 4 quadrants and their signs, what sign are corresponding to which quadrant. Okay, so this is all from this chapter, coordinate geometry. Okay, and followed by this video you will be getting an assignment to solve the assignment and share your solution. Okay, thank you.